I am the project management consultant, the PMC of this project. So as such, we put the team together in terms of the scheduling of each of the activities, the planning or the contracts or the construction. We have put together one of the best teams in India to manage this project, led by one of India's top contractors who is manufacturing the construction process, as well as the consultants who are involved in this project, the architect, the engineer, are some of the most eminent. So we have a strong world-class team which is currently doing this project. Excalibur is being done by a development group which has a very storied past, but also is led by a professional team led by Ajay Nahar, who is himself an architect and engineer. Therefore, we have seen the combination of a strong process of an existing company while the international standards and ambitions of a professional team. We have seen the combination of that, and we are extremely happy to be working on this project where the client was always ahead of the time in terms of the process that he needed to follow, the kind of expectations that he had from the team. So it has been a very enjoyable experience. Excalibur, in a nutshell, is a boutique residential project of the international standards with great materials, attention to details, and a project which is being done with the best of the class quality. So if you are a person who has seen how buildings are done around the world and how they need to be finished, this is a project which is a great example of that.
As far as the building is concerned, keeping in mind their customers and keeping in mind the type of clientele which are going to be staying in this building, we require to have utmost quality and long-term low maintenance design. For that, we have taken care of the earthquake resistance, the wind resistance, lateral force designs. The latest codes have been kept in mind while designing this building. We have also seen that each and every aspect required in the design of such buildings from point of view of durability is also taken care of. We have also made it fully high-rise committee compliant, where we had gone through the process of submitting our designs, which is being vetted, and we had to defend the design from all aspects: architectural, fire, design, structural, foundation aspects, and all different aspects which we cleared from HRC high-rise committee before starting the project.
Excalibur is a project which is very close to our hearts. It's a very boutique and a niche luxurious project which is low density, and it is basically giving the orientation of the project is such that each and every flat faces the racecourse and the Arabian Sea. Excalibur is basically perceived as a very boutique kind of a project. In the other projects in this area are basically very high density with more number of flats to a core. Excalibur has only 2 flats on a core, very linear orientation. The facade of the building is basically timeless. You know, it's like something which will not go out of fashion for years to come. The motifs are taken from the sword of King Arthur, which is Excalibur, and that motif is basically used as a theme on the entire project. Cheers to Excalibur.